That looks so cute.
God, this is freaky.
Oh my gosh, look. Ah.
Oh my god.
Gabriel's reaction. Gabriel's reaction. Baby birds. Baby birds. Wait, I'm filming this?
I gotta change it because Don's here and he's like,
They're so cute. Even though I hate birds. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're in your window. How did the bird get in there?
I don't know because she was right tucked in between my thing and there was a bird.
Oh,
Get out
did
of
she
here.
fly away?
Yeah.
And then the little babies. Oh my gosh, they're fat.
Oh my gosh, I said we have little baby birds.
Oh my gosh, I love animals. No problem.
Slide it, come here.
Wait,
Oh my
one
God.
didn't hatch yet. Oh my gosh.
Look at my window, look at my window. Right there. Baby birds.
You see them? They're babies.
OMG.
OMG indeed.